Hari Om children, hope everything is fine. As now we are all passing through COVID-19 crisis. Children, don't worry, this time will pass away. To refresh your mind, now I am going to tell you a story. There was a king who was daily visited by two Brahmins. One Brahmin used to say, all is Daivadhinam. Everything is in God's hands. The other Brahmin used to say, all is Rajadhinam. Everything is in king's hand. Now every day king used to give them something whenever they come, because both of them lived by begging. One day it happened like this. When both they left, king pondered over the words, wondering which were correct. Were the event in his hand, that is Rajadhinam, or it is in Lord's hand? He wanted to taste the truth. So he asked for 2 pumpkins to be brought. One pumpkin has to be in normal conditions, ripe and ready for cooking. Other pumpkin has to be hollowed inside and filled with lot of precious stones, diamonds, and then it should be closed up with in such a manner that from outside it looks like an ordinary pumpkin. The next day, when both the Brahmins came to king's court, the king picked up the ordinary pumpkin and gave it to the Brahmin who always said, Daivadhinam. The other pumpkin, which was filled with precious stones, he gave it to the Brahmin who always said, Rajadhinam. They both accepted the pumpkin and went away. But the king was waiting eagerly the next day. What will happen? The next day again, when both the Brahmin came, immediately king asked the Rajadhinam Brahmin, did you like that pumpkin? The Brahmin immediately shuddered, murmured, but finally managed to say, yes, my lord, the pumpkin was very good, tasty. The family members also enjoyed eating it. The king got angry. He understood that the Brahman is telling lie. Otherwise, he could have discovered the precious stones hidden inside. Repeatedly the king used to say, tell me where you have kept the pumpkin. Still it is with you or not? The Brahmin managed to say, my lord, I did not use the pumpkin myself. At my house, several pumpkins were there. My wife said that we don't require more pumpkin. So what I did, I sold it in the market. The king surprised. Then again he went for that vegetable vendor, that you call that vegetable vendor. I want to ask what had happened to that pumpkin. The vegetable vendor said, today morning one cloth merchant came and took that pumpkin. So again the king sent for cloth merchant to inquire about that pumpkin, what had happened. The cloth merchant said, yes, I have purchased that pumpkin, but not for my own consumptions. In our house, one ritual ceremony was going on and my wife wants one pumpkin, so I brought it from the market. Again the king sent for cloth merchant's wife that what she did with that pumpkin. She told that in my house the puja was going on, so one Brahmin came to offer as dakshina. I asked for that pumpkin. Which Brahmin you gave? So immediately in the king's court that Daivadhinam Brahmin entered, and the merchant's wife pointed towards that Brahmin. My lord, I gave the pumpkin to that Brahmin. So immediately the king looked at that Brahmin and asked, did you like that pumpkin? The Brahmin smiled and said, me lord, that pumpkin is not for eating. You know As soon as I cut open that pumpkin, lot of precious stones came out from that pumpkin. It is not an ordinary pumpkin. You can see the God's ways. All is Daivadhinam. The king understood, and the Brahmin also said, and this pumpkin I got it from this good lady, and all is in his hand. Daivadhinam. The king understood that yes, this is the king. Whatever we have, we are only getting through the Lord. The Brahmin who was standing nearby also understood, and from the very that day, he also changed his mind and started saying, all is Daivadhinam. Now children, you understood that whatever we have, it is from the God's gift. So we must invoke Lord, and we must thank Lord whatever we have. So have faith in God. This crucial period will also go away. Once again we will come to this school, we will eat, we will read or not. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Hari Om.